That's our second visit to Suter Falls. Now we're heading up to Horsepound. About 2 miles to go.
Yeah, it's gonna be hiking. You go ahead fresh.
Okay. Thank you. Indeed. There's rock slides, or falls and slides. Hi, baby. Doing all right? Stop here, pause for a second, enjoy the view and breathe. Let the heart rate come down a little bit. Not wearing a Fitbit, but I'm pretty sure we're about 140, 150 beats per minute after coming up that hill. Excuse you. Yeah, well, the inside's pretty. Whoop, that's loose. Huh. Nice thing about this time of year, all the undergrowth is down and dead. A lot of the leaves are settled down after fall, so now you can see a lot of the rocks and trails better. Yeah. Pretty nice. Yeah. Beautiful day to be out. Not quite springtime yet, but spring-like weather. All right. Feels good today. It's like warm but not hot. You get a cool breeze still.
Oh, a continuation.
That's pretty. Ah, look at this. Yeah. These leaves make it treacherous. Well, we found another waterfall. It's not quite marked on the map. I'll get out and double check, but I don't recall seeing it. It might just be seasonal with the rains and stuff.
Yeah.
But still, it's a waterfall. And it's a pretty area. Watch it though. Can't really see it from down here though. Maybe across or get a little further into the stream. Yeah, right there. There you go. Some kind of a waterfall there. Again, it's an unnamed waterfall. Well, we couldn't find any information on this waterfall. We're going to guess it's just seasonal whenever there's heavy rain. And last week there was torrential rains and flooding throughout middle Tennessee, so we're guessing this must be an anomaly. Juju. Nice season for the sun. Anyhow, we're going to continue on to Horsepound Falls. Get a nice view of the cliff right here. Officially it's like, let me back up. Depends on where you go. The one we did, officially that should be about 10 miles. But according to our phones and stuff, and with all the different little spurs we added to it, it came out to be about 14 miles. If you hike it just straight through down to Suter Falls, it's supposed to be about 13 one way. But I'll loop out to Ravens Point and back at the top of the rim. Yeah, we did that entire loop. My calculations came out to 14 miles roughly, maybe a little shy. But according to the map, it should have been closer to 10 or 11. Nice view. And the mountains aren't bad either. Out there, down the valley and the cliffs on the other side. That's kind of the canyon out down that way. And this is the other side of the rim that we're on the edge of. That's why I'm always so cautious hiking out here. You never know which rock's going to be solid and which one's going to roll out on you. Even monsters like that down there roll down this hill at some point in history. That's a rugged cliff. Oh, look at that. Found a little rock house.
Yeah.
Since they're up there, we can check out on the way back. Yeah, straight ahead. Mm-hmm. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Careful. And that's what makes the leaves so dangerous. They conceal what's underneath them.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Whoop, there I go. Yeah, they conceal what's underneath, and then also they just make it slick. Right? Pay attention, baby. Right? Pay attention, baby. Right? Pay attention, baby. You talk about falling as you fall again, huh? Thank you. Jeez. This is why we should use trekking poles. How many times we say that and leave them in the car? Like every time? Yeah. A little bit of a sinkhole back there, but it's not open. Kind of filled in. Yeah, you might want to do that, huh? Sure.
I know the waterfalls.
I think that's just the rapids. There's the top of the canyon rim on this side. Cliffs are not quite as tall at the moment. Usual. Mm-hmm. Beautiful day though. So nice. Perfect for hiking.